Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be doing a makeup look for fall, and for that we're going to be using the Profusion Cosmetics chocolate palette, which is this one right here. This is actually one of their new palettes, which I'm so excited to try. Profusion was so nice and kind enough to send me these goodies over, and we're going to go ahead and play with these babies. They also went ahead and sent me the Face Starter Define Kit, which is this one right here. I can't wait to play with all these goodies. They also went ahead and sent me the Fantasy Lips to Go as well as Passion, which I'm super stoked to try out. So yes, these are actually really good deal, you guys. These are, I believe, $4.99, and it has like a lip topper, it has the lip liner, the lip color, which is so cool. I'll be leaving all of the products down below for you guys to go ahead and check out. So yes, you guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with this video. Okay, you guys, so before anything, I already went ahead and applied all my foundation off camera. I also did my eyebrows off camera, and I did that because I wanted to speed the process. Let me go ahead and apply some translucent powder underneath the eye, just in case if there's any fallout. Now first, I'm going to go ahead and use the shade Quest, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this on my crease area. For base, I'm actually using concealer. Oh my god, you guys, the shadow is very pigmented. Like, that is so amazing. Now next, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the shade Likeable, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend that shadow out. If you need to go back and apply more of the green color, go ahead and do that. Sometimes when you apply shadows, you kind of overblend it. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply that to bring that shade back. And just go back and just blend it again. Now using the shade Gentle, I'm gonna go ahead and blend out Likeable. Now next, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the shade Blitz, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply this all over my lid area. I'm also gonna go ahead and apply the VIP shadow on the outer V of the eye and blending it with Quest. Now using the shade VIP, I'm gonna go ahead and apply this underneath my lower lash line. Now using the shade Fuse, I'm gonna go ahead and blend the shadow out. So this is what I have so far for the eye. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is what I have for the eyes. Now next, we're gonna go ahead and use the 5-color face palette, which is this one right here. This one does come with the highlighters. It has a blush as well as a bronzer. Yeah, these are all perfect to actually carry on the go. So we're gonna be using this little brush that does come in this little kit, and we're gonna be using the Brilliant Bronzer, which is this one right here. And we're gonna go ahead and bronze the face. This is a really pretty bronzer, you guys. Now next, I'm gonna go ahead and apply Fantasia, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply that on the apples of the cheek. And I'm just grabbing a bit on my brush and just blending that on the apples of the cheek. Now that we're actually done applying that, I'm gonna go ahead and set the face. Now using the highlight Stardust from the 5-color face palette, I'm going to go ahead and apply that on the high points of the cheek. For all my boys and girls out there that do like a very subtle highlight, I would totally recommend you guys this palette because the highlight is very buildable, which I really recommend you guys so much. Now next, I'm going to go ahead and use the shade Fantasy, and I'm going to go ahead and outline my lips. And this one's from the Lips to Go little kit from Profusion Cosmetics, which comes with a matte lip cream as well as a matte lip liner and a little topper. And these are actually very inexpensive, you guys. These are like $4.99. So yes, 3 items for $4.99. Who doesn't want that? So yes, this is a must if you guys haven't got it yet. Now next, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the matte lip cream over my lips. And that concludes today's video, you guys. I hope you guys did enjoy this video of me creating this look, and let me let you guys know this is actually one of my favorite looks for fall, and I hope you guys go and check out these products. These are actually very inexpensive. I had an amazing time creating this look for you guys. I'll be leaving the link down below for you guys to go ahead and check out. You could also find them at your local Target. Whenever you're doing some shopping at Target, you could go ahead and pick these little items up, which is always nice. Thank you so much, Profusion, for sending these products out to me. And for those of you guys that are new to this channel, welcome. Thank you so much for being subscribed to this channel. For those of you guys that are returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for being subscribed to this channel and being part of this journey with me, which I'm super excited about. And for those of you guys that are new to this channel and haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit the little subscribe button down below, as well as hit the little notification button right next to it so you can be alerted whenever I upload a video. I also do have social media, which I'll be leaving all those links down below for you guys to go ahead and check out. And yes, you guys, this is it for this video. I want to say thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. You guys mean so much to me, and thank you guys again for being part of this journey with me. And yes, you guys, I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and until next time, be careful, be safe. Bye, guys.